Wow, what a great day today! Let's do some gardening. First, we make the soil soft for our plant. Look at these tiny seeds. Something amazing will grow. Sleep well, little seeds. Grow big and strong. Plants need water to grow. Hey, puppy, do you like water too? I wonder when our little seed will start growing. Let's wait, buddy. Our little seed will grow soon. Good things take time. Let's see what happens. Wow, our tiny plant is waking up. Can you guess which plant we planted? Tell me in the comments and subscribe to watch part 2.